have arrived at Chiso Basin Visitor Center, but it's still dark. So, yeah, I cannot see anything. I don't know where the trailhead is. I don't know where the signs are. So I should be getting light here soon. It is start. Found the trailhead. Well, I haven't found it yet, but I know what direction it is in now. So, I'm gonna start applying my sunscreen and drink some water, go to the bathroom, accept their clothes, and get started! I'm excited! Okay, but here I go. Okay, it said Emory Peak this way, but then I'm reading an article and it had something very different as far as directions. So they had pictures and everything, but didn't add up to what the sign says. So maybe it was old, I don't know. But anyway, hope I'm on the right trail. Okay, I've not been working out regularly, and I can tell. I think I'm maybe a mile and a half in. Granted, it's all uphill. Yeah, it's good stuff, good stuff. Getting closer. Okay, maybe from here. I don't know how to zoom on this thing. But that little right there. That peak, that little mountain, that's where the visitor center is. That's where I'm parked. I'm gonna take the trail all the way through here. Emory Peak, a mile and a half. Woohoo! I'm debating putting my backpack in the bear canisters because this thing is killing me. So, I don't know, my keys, my wallet, everything. Oh, everything in there. So, it feels a little sketchy. I don't know, but I guess I'll sit and snack. Bear country. Yeah, toilet. Ooh, there's a toilet. Oh, I just peed. Please pee in the woods and not in the composting toilet. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Emory Peak is that way. El baño is that way. Alright, I'm gonna have a snack. Why can't people have humps like camels instead of carrying a backpack? Very convenient. My shoulders and my neck are hurting real bad. I decided against leaving my pack in the bear container just in case. I had my wallet and keys and my whole life. Yeah, it's starting to give me a not so nice headache. Some people are catching up to me. I don't want them to. Go away. I passed them in the beginning because I've been taking so many pictures. I'm stopping. They're catching up, but I'm gonna beat them. Okay, so this is why I wanted to leave my pack in the bear container. But, ooh, hi vultures. 'Tis the peak. There's the plaque. I'm gonna go this way. Okay. Ooh, looky here. Okay, that's definitely not black, like a telephone thing, or radio, I guess, rather. So, I mean, this is where the trail came, but there's no, you have arrived to Emory Peak so many thousands of feet up. So I don't know, I'm a bit confused. I guess I'll try going over there and going up there to get a lovely shot. Okay. Woohoo. I mean, woohoo! So I don't remember taking this, and I feel like I wasn't paying attention at one point and possibly took the wrong turn. And I don't know how long ago that was, but that's definitely not right. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I wouldn't even care if I didn't have the stupid backpack rubbing my shoulders raw. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I don't remember this. All right, that is one thing, surprisingly, that they are not doing a very good job on is signage. There wasn't even signage up at Emory Peak telling you that you were there, giving you basic information about it, and there's rarely any on these trails. They need mile markers, which they don't have. They need markers telling you what trail you're on. Like the Appalachian, the AT has the white paint thing, and these are all just, I think I found something. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I didn't make a turn. I just didn't remember that white sandy part. Okay. Back at it. Just a little dirty. Ooh, yeah. Yum. Okay, 10 miles. And 6.5 hours later, here's the parking. Well, you can't see the parking lot, but the building. Someone's happy to see me. Correct.